lecture of standard 9, and this is the lecture number 2 of your poem number 2, and subject is your favorite. Obviously it is English. In last session we were discussing about the wind and how much strength the wind is having, right? That we have already discussed. Now we are moving forward to this poem. It says to us that in the next stanza, poet repeated the word crumbling. So this we are doing in the poem. This has been given. Repeated the word crumbling to lay stress that everything trembles in the face of strong wind. And the poet has given examples also that which kind of things, right? What are the things which is crumbling because of the very strong wind? And in that the things are coming like that he says that weak houses, weak doors, beams, wooden structures, bodies of people, even animals, etc. all crumbles. So you will feel some confusion that how bodies, right? How bodies of people can crumble. Once try that if there is a strong wind and you just try to go out, definitely our parents will tell no to us that we are not supposed to go out whenever there is a strong wind. But we have seen such a videos in factual, right? Videos are in true sense. So whenever there is a strong wind, so people also cannot be there in the strong wind. He or she has to take some support, some shelters, right? Whenever there is a strong wind. So not a single thing can stand in front of a strong wind. So here the poet is telling that why the poet has used crumbling word repeatedly and repeatedly, because he wants to tell to us that everything crumbles in the face of a strong wind, right? Not a single thing, even human being, animals, birds, all the man-made things, right? Not a single can stand in front of strong wind. He says that weak houses, this you have to remember, weak doors you have to remember, beams, wooden structures, bodies of people, this is important, which you have to mention whenever the questions are like that. What are the things which is crumbling due to the strong wind? Animals, etc. and all these things are crumbling. Now, what we have to do whenever there is a strong wind, and if we are not doing anything, what would be our situation? In the next stanza, the poet is comparing people to whom that we have to see. That in the next he addresses the wind as a wind god, right? In textbook also we have to underline this, that the wind as wind god, and he says that the powerful god of wind examines, meaning it shifts people and those who are weak fall down and get crushed. He has made comparison and why and how that has been given in the next, but we'll understand first of all this. In the next he addresses the wind as a wind god, and he says that the powerful god of wind examines to whom? Examines to all these things, houses, doors, beam, wooden structure, bodies of people and even animals. Wind is coming as a god, right? The wind god is examines each and everything, right? Each and everything. And those who are weak, they are falling down and get crushed, right? For example, there will be thousands of people, but who will be the strong one? He or she will be able to stand to face the strong wind. And who the people will weak, what will happen? They will fall down and get crushed. I must correlate this example to give you the better clarification of this. Right, here we are having wind, but we can compare even with the corona, right, COVID-19. So we know that Houthi people are very strong by health, right? Moody people are having very good immunity power, so they can fight against corona, against COVID-19. That's why only we all are getting instructions from many kind of sources that we are supposed to do exercise, we are supposed to take particular food which is giving us good immunity power, we have to take these and these and these, so many things are there which is giving us immunity, which we have to drink, which we have to eat, and which we have to do exercise, right? So if we are just taking vitamin C, taking sunlight in a proper way, and if we are getting proper food which is giving vitamins and like strength, so our body will have a good immunity system, and if we will have good immunity system, definitely we will be able to fight against corona. But here, as the wind is saying, the Houthi people will be weak, they will be fall down and they will get crushed. Therefore, here the poet made a comparison between wheat and people. So this is very important for us, right? To which it has been compared, wheat and people. So between wheat and people, just like we sort the wheat to separate the grain from the chaff, in the same way the wind god separates the strong people from weak. Have you seen this? Half a people, it means generally the women are doing this. So how to sort the wheat to separate the grain, right? हम पता है कि ऐसे 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 करते थे, पता है पहले, अब आज भी करते हैं, but we just now we are not able to see in that much like amount that all the women are doing. हमें तो अब रेडीमेड लेते हैं ना, राइट? अब वीट कैसे करते हैं कि रेडीमेड लेते हैं कि मम्मी और पापा कहाँ पे जाए बाहर और डायरेक्टली वो लेके आए. बट वेयर दिस इज जस्ट ग्रोइंग अप, राइट? जहाँ पे जिस फार्म में होते हैं वीट, वहां से लाने के बाद अलग तो करना ना उसको, राइट? तो वो अलग करने के लिए हमें पता है कि जो रियल वीट, राइट, स्ट्रॉन्ग वीट होंगे वो क्या होंगे, वहां पे ही रहेंगे ऊपर, और जो वीक होंगे वो नीचे गिर जाएंगे, और जो नीचे गिर गए they will get crushed. So here poet made a comparison between wheat and people, just like we sort the wheat to separate the grain from the chaff. In same way the wind gets separate the strong people. और ऐसा ही काम कौन कर रहा है? Wind, right? Strong wind. Strong wind is doing what? The same thing, that if there is a strong wind, who the people are very strong, then they will be able to stand in front of wind, and who are weak, they will get crushed, right? They will get crushed. So this is what, and this is how the comparison between the wheat and people has been given. Now can you give me answer that how we can stand in front of wind? What we have to do that we can stand in front of wind, we cannot get crushed, right? How we can make ourselves strong? So answer I am giving you in just a minute. Yes, so we were discussing about that how to face these challenges, right? How to make ourselves strong. So here is formula for the same. Then after that, the poet wants us to make friends with the wind, right? So here we have to do friendship to the wind. He says that we should be ready for the problems as they will come and will not listen to us. This is every time, I think every day happens to us. That problems are coming, hurdles are coming. They are not telling us or informing us in a prior way that wait, tomorrow I'm coming. And whenever they are coming and we are saying that no problem, please hold on, right? Today I'm not free to have you or handle you. Please come after 2 days. So is it happening? Problems and hurdles, are they listening to us? No, our answer is never. They are never listened to us. So he says that we should be ready for the problems as they will come and will not listen to us. Also, we should build strong homes, firm doors, make our heart and body stronger. So our heart and body stronger. So here, right, keep these words in your mind, that poet is not saying that only our bodies, right, physically only we should be very good, but mentally also we have to be very strong. So you know, there is I have heard incidents, I don't know whether you have heard or not, but there was one person and he got a snake bite, right? Actually we know that every snake, right, is not poisonous. So he got that snake bite, and in a fear only he was shouting like anything that, oh my God, please save me, I will die, please save me, I will die. And someone like कोई होता है ना ऐसा कि जिसको पता नहीं पर ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं, सब लोग इकट्ठा हो गए, then oh my God, the snake is looking like a poisonous. और फिर तो जिस पर्सन को स्नैक बाइट हुआ था तो वो तो ऐसे के ऐसे ही वहां पे उसकी डेथ हो गई. After that, whenever it had post-mortem of that body, so doctors declared that person has been not died with the poison of snake, because the snake was not having poison, but that person dies because of the heart attack, right? His heart was so weak, and in a फ्राइटन वे ओनली कि ओ माय गॉड मुझे स्नैक बाइट हो गया और उसमें से किसी ने ऐड कर दिया कि ये स्नैक है, वो तो क्या है, पॉइजनियस है. तो इतने डर राइट, उसी की वजह से क्या हुआ, हार्ट अटैक आके वो मर गया. इट मीन्स प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे, हर्डल्स आएंगे, बट फिजिकली स्ट्रांग होने के साथ साथ मेंटली भी स्ट्रांग होना पड़ेगा, राइट. सो ये तो सिर्फ एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल था, right? But by this I want to tell you the thing is that physically and mentally, right, these two are very important, in which we have to feel strongness. Also we should build strong homes, firm doors, make our heart and body stronger to face these challenges, then we will not feel troubles. और फिर प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी, प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, फिर भी हमें वो प्रॉब्लम लगेगी नहीं. Why? Because our heart, our bodies, our homes, our doors, they are firm, they are strong, right? Now the poet says that wind is a god and we praise it daily. Important. So it means that whatever the things are useful, right, we have to praise them daily, right? If our mother is preparing food for every day, we have to praise her daily, that thank you mother that you are preparing food for me, right? Generally we have heard things like that, it is her duty. No, right? The answer is no. It is duty of everyone to have that, right, to do that. Mother is doing, right, since long time she is doing. Have you appreciated your mother? If your answer is no, then go after this video, after watching this video, go to your mother and show your gratitude towards your mother, right? That mother, you are doing all the things of the family, you are sacrificing a lot of things for the family. So really by heart, right, go down to your mother and say thank you, right? Your mother would be very happy. So here, that after that whatever the challenges will be there, we will not feel challenges, and we were talking about that wind is a god and we praise it daily. The poet gives us the message, not main moral of the poem. Main message of the poem, we should make ourselves physically and mentally strong to face these challenges. What we were just discussing, that physically and mentally we have to be strong. Also when we become their friends, they will help us to become stronger. और जब भी जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, उसी को अपना फ्रेंड बना लो, राइट? जो हर्डल है, जो हार्डशिप है, उसी को अपना फ्रेंड बना लो. तो क्या होगा, वही प्रॉब्लम, वही चैलेंज हमें और ज्यादा बेटर बनाएगी, और ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर बनाएगी, राइट? सो दैट विल हेल्प अस टू बी स्ट्रॉन्गर बिकॉज द चैलेंजेस एंड हार्डशिप्स ऑफ लाइफ मेक्स अस बेटर. चैलेंजेस आएंगे, उसको कंप्लीट करेंगे, देन ओनली वी विल feel that no, I am strong, right? Then only we will able to know ourselves that what potential I am having, right? कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम्स आए नहीं, लाइफ ऐसी स्मूथली जा रही है तो आपके अंदर क्या पड़ा है वो पता ही नहीं है किसी को. हाँ, एक बार अगर स्ट्रीट में जा रहे हो और अगर कोई डॉग पीछे पड़ जाए और अगर आप भागो, इफ यू आर रनिंग, at that time you will feel that oh my god, you are having a great capacity to run, right? So these kind of problems, it means not dog वाली बात नहीं कर रही ऐसे प्रॉब्लम आपकी लाइफ में आए, but we are talking in general that problems and challenges are necessary for life's betterment, right? If we want to be successful, if we want to be at the top of the people who are successful, then we must have challenges, then must have problems. जितनी problems आएंगी तो हम solve करेंगे तो capacity का पता चलेगा, right? So challenges and hardships of life makes us better. So this was your poem number 2, all about the wind, right? From wind the poet started and made the message that challenges, right, they are making us strong, right? Wind एक बार रिस्ट्रिक्शंस करेगा तो हम ज्यादा अच्छे मकान बनाएंगे, हाउस बनाएंगे, होम बनाएंगे, डोर बनाएंगे, हार्ट को फिजिकली स्ट्रांग करेंगे, मेंटली स्ट्रांग करेंगे, गेटिंग इट? पर अगर विंड ने कभी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस किया ही नहीं होता, सो व्हाट वी वुड बी, राइट? अभी भी उसी झोपड़ी बना के रह रहे होते, राइट? हमें ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आए, देन वी फेल्ट दैट वी मस्ट मेक स्ट्रॉन्गर हाउस. Right, so this was all about this poem. We'll see next very interesting new things in next lecture. So till time, goodbye, take care, have a nice day.
आभार.